Cypress Semiconductor PSoC 6 Wi-Fi BT prototyping kit combines a PSoC 6 MCU, wireless connectivity, and additional hardware in a snap-away form factor for flexible prototyping and development. The kit features a PSoC 62 MCU with a 150 MHz Arm Cortex-M4 and a 100 MHz Arm Cortex-M0 Plus, all built on an ultra-low power 40 nanometer process to provide long battery life without sacrificing performance. It also includes a Murata Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth module based on the Cypress CYW4343W SoC. The snap-away boards include touch areas for CapSense sliders and buttons, 2 digital microphones for voice input, 512 megabits of NOR flash memory, a MicroSD card slot, a PMOD-compatible interface for hardware expansion, and a USB programming interface. Developers can use the Modus Toolbox IDE for development and evaluation, and the kit can also be used with Arm mbed and Amazon FreeRTOS.